Okay, so this is the Einhell Classic GC SA1231. It's a Scarifier. I've had one of these before, and it broke like this, quite dramatically. On reflection, it's quite possibly down to the brushes and not the unit itself. So when I take this one apart, I'm going to have a look at the brushes to see how long they are when they start. Back into the cupboard, clips, collection box which we never use. I'll just make up the handle. And put this barbed wire to the main unit. So right, one go. Right, and there's the main unit. And then inside are the blades that go into the blades and more bits of the handle. Move to that aside, and an empty box. So there it is, all laid out in its glorious detail. This is the light rake. Is the Scarifier. Read the fine manual. Look at the pictures. Now, the way this works is the Scarifier throws debris up here. And this either deflects them down onto the ground, or if you fit the bag, which needs to go in that metal rack, it's up here somewhere, and it catches them. The bag is almost totally useless, far too small, and you fill it up in about 10-15 seconds. So tend to ignore that. Just tend to use it for raking and then collect the stuff off afterwards, or scarifying stuff afterwards. The problem with scarifying is that this is plastic, and well, you can sure it's ABS plastic, but the stones thrown up by the Scarifier hit this plastic thing and smash it. So previously I had to rivet on the inside of this a sheet of aluminium so that this didn't get destroyed by the stones being thrown up. Now, if you haven't got any stones, it might work fine. In my garden, it throws up stones and it smashes the plastic. So I'll almost certainly fix on the inside of this a sheet of aluminium so as not to break this case. The bolts have a square section on top of them, so that they fit into a square section on the outside here, which stops it rotating. I guess if you're left-handed, you could do it the other way. Possibility. Seemed to work. I'm not. So I'll do it this way. The idea behind these is that you spin them undone and dismantle it when you put the device away. It's unlikely you'll do that unless you're putting it away for the winter, I suspect. Basically they're done. There's a couple of clips here. Remember to attach this part. And that's pretty much the only bit you need to assemble, because the other part is for holding this rack together. As I say, the rack is essentially useless. Right, there we go. So that's the basket assembled. As I say, I don't think it's particularly useful. What's in? A couple of lugs that are in there, and collect rubbish in that part. Or you'll put it without, and this deflects all the rubbish back down onto the lawn, which is probably where it will spend the winter time. Okay. Now, before I use this, I'm going to make two modifications. I will put a metal sheet on the inside of this to stop this getting smashed, and I'm going to have a look at the brushes in the motor to see how long they are. So let's just check the blades are not going to touch anything. They operate above the level of the bench. Seems to work. Very definitely unplug it. On this and then that allows this to pop out, and then we take that out and measure it. So previously, when I took my old blue one apart, the inside of the motor had quite a lot of grass and dirt inside it, so that's probably why they fitted these extra foam inserts. There we go. So I'll just check that I haven't broken it. Nothing intruded on the blades. this one. Certainly there's no smell of ozone, which is a good sign. There we are, done.